Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about why we believe alt season is coming, crypto bull run is coming, okay, and things you want to pay attention, charts you want to pay attention. Sir, make sure to smash the like, cook the like, share this in Twitter, man. This is the channel you want to be subscribed to. Subscribe to this channel, sir. Click the bell. Look, this is Bitcoin. Okay, you had your breakout from your double bottom. That was the double bottom here for Bitcoin, and we had this downward trend. Boom, we broke out. That's it. Bitcoin is in a breakout. As long as it's above 83K, we are good, man. Above 83K, we're good. You can see this is the 50-day MA and the 200-day MA. Now, what's happening in the 50-day and 200? You can see the 50-day is sloping up now, and it's probably going to give us a golden cross. A golden cross is when the 50 crossing back up above the 200. Boom. That's going to be the golden cross, probably projected to happen next week or in the next couple of weeks, as long as Bitcoin is holding above the 200 area, above the 90K-ish area. Now look what happened last time when we got a golden cross. That was here. You got your golden cross on October. Okay, October kind of just before November, end of October. Okay, then we had a little pullback. You had a pullback into the cross, a pump, then a little consolidation, and that was it. Okay, you had your golden cross. 1 week after, you went bazooka. That was the November pump, XRP, H bar, everything melt up. No, not everything. Okay, that's what we think is going to happen now. Okay, we're going to have a golden cross. Then you're going to have names flying, and most names, most coins will do rubbish, will do jack nothing. Okay, this is a different type of altcoin rallies. Okay, this is not the type of altcoin season people expecting. They're expecting Ethereum to explode in value and all the rubbish coins will explode in value. It's not going to happen, sir. It's not going to happen, sir, because this is a Bitcoin dominated altcoin run. This is a Bitcoin dominated cycle, okay? And you can see it with the Bitcoin dominance, okay? Now look, the Bitcoin dominance. This is the Bitcoin dominance, okay? Big picture. Big picture, again, all the clowns on Twitter, calling for the Bitcoin dominance to collapse. But what we see, by the way, subscribe to our Twitters, follow our Twitter, man. This is a double bottom on the big picture of Bitcoin. That means the Bitcoin dominance is going to go up higher in the coming years. That's what it looks like. And the Bitcoin dominance is doing a double bottom reversal. And once it breaks that level, altcoins are cooked. Now, again, at the moment, this is the big picture again. This is a zoom out, now big picture. Now we're going to zoom in and we're going to tell you why there is a chance of an altcoin season soon, okay? Some sort of an altcoin season. First of all, this is the Bitcoin dominance, okay? You can see it's pulling back a little bit here, okay, from this level, okay? So that's good. We want to see this thing pulling back a little bit for, man, couple of days, couple of weeks of it, and you're going to print money. Okay, look what happened in November, okay? Where is November 2024? That was here. November 2024, you can see that was the XRP hype, ADA, H bar. That was an alt season. Again, the crypto bros, they think an alt season must pump the rubbish coins. No, you need to learn how to trade and find the best trades on crypto and on every altcoin run, okay? Every altcoin run, you have different coins pumping. Sometimes your coin is pumping, sometimes your coin is absolute rubbish, okay? You need to take the right trades when you trade crypto. Now, this is, hopefully we're gonna get some kind of an alt season here. You can see this probably let's see if we get the bearish divergence here. By the way, sir, smash the like, cook the like, subscribe to the channel, cook the like, cook it. No bearish divergence here yet. Oh, we have a little one. You can see here it's going up here, and we made a lower low here. Again, this is just speculation. Again, we're looking for a little altcoin run, and again, the Bitcoin dominance can continue going up, and some altcoins will print much more than the Bitcoin. We're going to show you a few names you want to pay attention to. Okay, you want to pay attention to these names because these are the bangers of the bangers. All right, so this is Bitcoin dominance. Now, look on ETH BTC showing us that there is a chance of a bounce. let's take a clean chart here. You can see this is the ETH BTC chart. It's at wrecked city. You can see it got crashed, it got destroyed versus the Bitcoin. And look at it. This is it's dead. You know, ETH BTC is dead, and it's probably going to bounce from the death right here. You can see this is a bottom here. That was the big bottom for ETH BTC in September 19, February 19, 2020. And here we are, the same level again. We're assuming we're going to have some sort of a bounce, and it can be a big bounce. It can be a big bounce because look at it. Look at this wrecked crash. ETH versus Bitcoin ratio. Let's make it simple. Bitcoin completely smoked the Ethereum by price performance. Okay, Ethereum is total rubbish, but even remember, even a dead cat will bounce on the way down. So we're looking for a bounce on ETH BTC, and when ETH BTC will bounce, okay, you just need 1 week. You know, it's a weekly bounce, some kind of a bounce. You know, you want to see something like this, okay, on ETH BTC. You want to see something like this, higher low, you know, on ETH BTC, okay, something like this. You know, just a little one like this, man, you're gonna get a very strong altcoin run. Okay, if that will happen, sir, click the like, hook the like, subscribe to the channel. By the way, we're gonna show you now a few names you want to pay attention. Smoke the like. Make sure you open yourself a Bitunix account. So this is the best account if you trade from the US, okay, from Canada, Australia, New Zealand, wherever, you know, the UK, some redneck country, man. Make sure you get yourself Bitunix account. You put 1K, you get 200 USDT bonus. You have a Bitunix tutorial down below how to use the exchange. Amazing exchange and low fees. And you don't need KYC and you don't need VPN. You can trade from all over the world, man. No KYC. Put it in the map, man. No KYC, no VPN. This is diamonds. You have limited seats here available, man. On this campaign, make sure to open an account with this campaign link below. You can see Crypto Mindset. Just get yourself an account, sign up with this link, man, and go over the details here. That's gonna make you very, very happy. Now, anyway, look, we're gonna show you some coins you want to pay attention to. Okay, so first of all, okay, we love Kaspa, okay, in the channel. Okay, we think Kaspa will pump. Again, if you hold Kaspa, put it on your radar. Okay, we're looking for the breakout here. Again, put Kaspa on the radar. The last altcoin run, Kaspa didn't participate so much. Okay, but here, if Kaspa can break above this level here, that could send Kaspa to a new bull market. So put Kaspa on your radar. Again, put this guy on the radar. This has been printing money for us, virtual. This is, in my opinion, one of the best charts out there at the moment. And I don't want to jinx it. Okay, put it on the radar, man. This is an amazing coin. You want to pay attention to a market leader for the last year. Okay, if you look, this coin was incepted, okay, in May 2024. This is the AI agent coin, the biggest AI agent narrative coin, the biggest and the best. Okay, now this coin is the market leader since its inception. Okay, you look at that in September. Okay, once Bitcoin bottomed in September, it went up from, what is it, 2 cents to $5. Okay, do the math. That's a huge move. Now again, we're not calling for something like that. Okay, we're not calling for anything here. We're just telling you this is the market leader. This is the coin you want to trade. If you hold QNT, if you hold whatever garbage you've been holding, man, if you're holding fluff from 2020 or 2018, stop doing that. You're holding dead rubbish. You better find the leaders, join our community. You have link below, get you 20% off. We've been nailing virtual from the breakout here, actually not from the low even, and still managed to make a double. I'll show you the trade. This is the virtual trade. 10 days ago, we bought more today, actually. This thing looking good. Look at it. Buy the break above 85, man. You get notification in the app. You get email notification. You just log into your exchange. Boom, you put your stop, your trigger order. Boom, and you go drinking margarita. Flicky, the wifey, man. Happy days. And virtual, look what virtual did from our entry, from 85. That was our entry right here, man. Boom. Virtual, 85. Boom. Easy money, man. Boom. You set up your stops, your stop buy order. Boom. And it's up 120%. You put 20K, do the math. You make 20K. You make 20K on your runner. You put 100K, you can make 100K. This is a liquid coin. You can play big on it. Again, and we bought more and we have more. We always trade in virtuals now. We're going to trade virtuals now till it's going to top out, because we believe virtual is a big banger. You want to put it on your radar. Sir, subscribe to our channel. Stop missing out our amazing calls. Okay, this is only one, man. We take many trades. Some trades, we get stopped out, take a little loss. 5%, 10%, 8% loss here and there. But once you get this trade, all the little losses are get washed away and your account soaring, because it's soaring. And we had many doubles, and actually 50%ers. We had Tau, we had Ray, we had many 50% gainers. And man, this market looking good. Again, this is also a sign of an altcoin strength. Altcoins market strength. Again, you want to buy the best altcoins when you trade. Okay, this is a sign for altcoin strength. Focus on finding the best coins, man. This is the last bull run. Okay, this is the last crypto bull run. It can last a couple of weeks or a couple of months, into the summer, into the end of the year. Who cares? This is the last bull run. Take advantage of it. Trade the best names, man. Trade the best coins. Don't buy rubbish. All right. And another coin we want to pay attention to, obviously, is Turbo. Turbo is hopefully setting up for a trade here. Okay. Again, we're probably going to trade it. Okay. You can see here. That's a very nice consolidation. Again, it can top out here. It can bounce and top out, or it can break out. Now, if we're going to take the trade anyway. We're going to have stops on it. If it rips, free money. If it stop out, take a little loss, move on, wait for the next opportunity for Turbo. Turbo is a banger. You want to trade it, you want to buy it. It's really good. Again, not buy now. This is not a financial advice. If you want all our financial advice, all our trade alerts, with stops, with take profits, with execution, everything, with market updates, join the community. Sir, smash the like, cook the like, subscribe to the channel, click the bell, leave a comment. What's your best coin for 2025? See you in the next video. Cheers.